Some fun chemistry that you can do at home using a candy. Skittles in this case. We've placed Skittles around the plate. My grandson is going to help me and pour some water into each of these plates so that the Skittles are about half submerged. And it's slightly warm water. That's good. Cold water would work well too, but slightly warm water maybe will give us results just a little quicker because molecules in warm water are moving around a little faster, a little more. Yeah, so that they're about half submerged, a little more. Hey, great. All right. And you can see something is starting to happen. The food coloring on the surface of the Skittle is dissolving and it's moving slowly out in toward the center of the plate. And there's also something else that we can't see that's dissolving, and that's sugar that's in the coating of the Skittles. So sugar and food coloring are moving together out toward the center of the plate. And it'll take a couple of minutes for this to develop. This one's moving quite rapidly. This one's interesting. And you could try a variety of pattern with the Skittles to see what interesting results you get. It also works with gobstoppers. And you could experiment. Any colored candy you could try. M&Ms might work too. Here, this is a beautiful pattern that's developing. And notice that the colors are not mixing. Sugar is dissolving and the food coloring is dissolving. And there's a principle of chemistry. As these diffuse, they go from a high concentration to a low concentration. And in this case, the concentration is about the same in these two colored, or in the various colored areas. So we find that the food colorings don't mix, not initially anyhow. And I don't know if it's possible to get a close-up of that. That's looking quite interesting. These are a little disappointing, but that one's definitely not disappointing. Hey, give it a try at home. Try Skittles, try gobstoppers, see what interesting results you come up with. Thank you.